But right now we have a very exciting group of people. You know, you've heard of Crocodile Dundee, you've heard of the Barmy Army, you've heard of the Bharat Army. What do you call a group that's a cross of all three of them? They are called India Cricket Dundee, and there we have Ragini standing by from Times Now with India Cricket Dundee. Tell us what you have for us, Ragini.
Yes, and as you can hear behind me, they've already started with their national anthem. This is called the ICD. We're going to find more about it. They're hooting, cheering, they're practicing. So this is what you're going to hear when you spot ICD at any of the stadiums. Yes, mind you, they're all going to follow the Indian cricket team, and not only till the World Cup, but after that also. We have some familiar faces. We've seen them on a different pitch, but let's find out what brings Bakhtiar and Tanaz to the ICD.
The excitement, the entire cheering for India, and I love India, and I think it's Tendulkar's last World Cup, so I'm there for him, and I'm there for the Indian team also. But it's really very exciting, and right from the word go, I want to be there, and I'm going to go for all the matches. I've seen India-South Africa final in Johannesburg with our founder member of ICD, that is Indian Cricket Dundee, and we are an official club which are going to really back up India in all the matches all over India and even after that. So I'm really happy that I'm a part of Indian Cricket Dundee.
All right, we're also very glad we can get you to our viewers. Also, I would like to tell you, Mandira and Anand, who are watching this from the studio, we have the youngest member of ICD. He's only 2 years. What is your plan for ICD?
Go India, go!
Say, go India, go! Say? Okay, he's saving up his energy for the action when it happens live at the stadium. Tanaz, what about you? You know, we know a lot of people, most of the men, as I can see, are very excited. You're as clued in with cricket, you enjoy as much. Who's your favorite cricketer?
Sachin Tendulkar obviously is my favorite cricketer because I've been seeing him right since he began. And what the hell am I going to do at home when all the men are watching cricket, and cricket is like a religion in our country? So I'm like, okay, let me go with ICD, let me follow the Indian cricket team. Maybe I'll get to know something more. And it's really, really exciting, the euphoria that you see on the stands, the kind of screaming, the yelling.
Okay, also quickly, let me just get the founder Charan in, and he can tell us how he can be, or anybody who's watching, be a part of ICD.
Well, it's very simple. Just log on to www.indiancricketdundee.com. It's pretty static right now, but it'll go live on the 18th. So just log on and be a member. That's how simple it is.
Okay, Anand, Mandira, you saw that. You know, this is a very happy, excited bunch. They are going to follow the Indian cricket team, and it's not only the boys. There are lots of women here, and you know, they're also going to waiting. Guys, quick cheer for Team India. ICD!
That's fab. That's fantastic. That's going to be crazy.
Okay, just standing here, Anand, I can tell you this is infectious. I'm tempted to be a part of ICD. What do you know? I'm going to just ask Charan now how to be a part of this. But unfortunately, the schedule at Times Now will not allow me to follow the team all around. Back to you guys.
All right, thanks a lot, Ragini. I'm sure you're having a lot of fun down there. And 3 cheers to the India Cricket Dundee. What fantastic support they're drumming up for the men in blue.